happened to her hair? Well, if I wanna shave it close, so I wanna rock locks that'll take a bit away from the soul that I got. Little girl with the press and curl. Age 8, I got a Jerry curl. 13, and I got a relaxer. I was a source of so much laughter. 15, when it all broke off. 18, and I went on natural. February 2002, I went on and did what I had to do because it was time to change.
What's good, sis? It's your girl Deja, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and smack the bell so you become a part of notification gang, sis. So for today, guys, I'm just gonna do like a couple different types of hairstyles that I find are the easiest and the quickest. Like if I gotta get up and I gotta just go, I'm gonna just splat, throw it on, and then I'm gonna be out, and that's it. I think I'm gonna do a high puff. I don't know. All I do know is when I take this off, it's gonna look wild, okay? But let me tell you guys the main thing that I'm gonna be using. So I bought a new one. If you saw my last video, then you know it was empty, but guess what, sis? It's not empty no more, and that's on period. And then I got my gel extreme. I'm running a little low. Can you see like the red marks in from when I was doing my hair with the color blast? I got red in the gel, but whatever. And then I got my handsy dandy. I like this comb because I feel like it's way easier with this part right here. It's just easier for me to part my hair. I still suck at it, but whatever. This is gonna look wild. So it is a little crunchy. Some spots are crunchier than others. Some spots a little soft. I don't know. It's weird. I am prepared though, because I do feel like when I spray it with the water, the color is probably gonna get all over my brush. Look, it's still like on the side right there a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. After the video, when I put it in my hair, I was cute for a day, a couple hours. And then what I did was put my hair wrap on, went to bed, woke up the next day, and went about my day. That's it. I'm not going nowhere. I can't even take myself seriously. Let me just get into the video. This hairstyle is honestly really simple. I normally use a white string, but I couldn't find it, so I just got my black hair tie. But you're really just gonna brush it up, put your gel, and just push up your hair tie and call it a day, sis. And now you look fire, and that's on period. For the second hairstyle, you're just gonna part the middle of your hair. Then you're gonna take out the two strands in the front of your head, because sis, you know I love my two strands. It makes my head look smaller, so that's what we're gonna do, and that's on period. So then you're just gonna put one side of the hair in a little ponytail just to get it out of your way. Brush the other side down, apply your gel, brush it down, put it in a ponytail, do the same thing to the other side, and then sis, you're gonna come out fire. If you wanna leave the twist in the front and just rock your hair like that, sis, go right ahead, because honestly that looks really cute too. hairstyle number 3, this is really simple, easy. You're just gonna put your hair in a low ponytail, brush it down, apply your gel. I like to keep the 2 strands. The 2 strands is kind of just something that I add with almost all of my hairstyles because I like how it looks. But yeah, just put your hair in a low ponytail, put your 2 strands, and boo bam sis, you look good. For hairstyle number 4, you're just gonna brush your hair more up and you're just gonna put 2 buns. When you get it up in the bun, try to like twist that part of your hair and then wrap it around. Yes, honey, look at you. Last but not least, hairstyle number 5. Yes. Okay, so for this hairstyle, you're really just gonna brush your hair all the way up to the top, apply your gel, brush it up, and just put it up into a high bun. And then you're gonna do the twist and then just wrap it around. End of the video, guys. I am all done. Those were basically, I think that was like 5. So that was like my 5 go-to hairstyles. So if you just need like a few ideas on different hairstyles that you can do that's really easy, really quick, those were my 5 go-to hairstyles. So I don't know, it works for me, maybe it'll work for you. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, click the bell, be a part of the notification gang. I love you. I hope you love me. You see the paint on my hand? Ew, I look dirty. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, deja.monique_. Follow me on Twitter, deja_Harold. And follow me on TikTok, ddgang_. Some of y'all are probably like, what's DD gang? But it's basically a TikTok for me and my boyfriend. We're corny, but it is what it is. We also have our own YouTube channel. We aren't really posting that much right now because of everything that's going on. I don't really see him that much. But yeah, you guys should definitely subscribe to that channel. And I will put it right down here for you guys. And I think that's it. Bye!
Is that India? What happened to her hair?
Well, if I wanna shave it close, so I wanna rock locks, that don't take a bit away.